How can you? How can you fight against your people when all around you is chaos? The very walls of this compound are tumbling down. Hell has broken loose. The doors of oblivion has opened. Crime is everywhere. Discrimination. Scholars are now justified. Leaders brought down to their knees. What was once the light has turned into darkness. What was once up is now down. And what was once right is now wrong. Countless have tried to bring back the light, but their voice were never heard. Their effort meaningless. Only one thing is there left to ask. Who will bring the world back to its righteousness? Who will be the next dying?